Hello everyone, welcome back to this new video. So in today's video I will show you how to make this 3D phone animation. So let's begin. So to start working, you have to go in the description. You will find a link to download the AI file, which is the Illustrator file. So let's go to Adobe After Effects and let's open the Illustrator file. Be sure to make composition, retain layer size, and import. As you can see here, you have your composition, so double click to open it. Okay, so first we're going to select the front and the copy layers, and we will make them in a pre-composition. We name it like front. So actually this layer copy is the same of this white shape. So we have two copies, like as you can see, like that. And I will show you why we are using this to add videos on the phone or images. We need this layer. I will show you later. We're gonna select the area of working. Make sure it's exact like that, and then go here in composition and crop comp to region of interest, like that. So now we have only the composition on the size of the phone. Now let's go back over here, just move this a bit like that. Okay, so now we're going to attach all these sides of the phone. So make sure to snapping is checked. First thing we have to do is to change this keyframe right here. So use the motion tools panel script. I have a video that I have uploaded where you can go and download this script from it, like that, and then attach this like that. Now let's attach this one, the same, the keyframe over here, and attach it like that. For this one too, the keyframe over here, touch it like that. The same for this one, change the anchor point here. Nice. Now for this one, the anchor point here, like that. Nice. Okay, so to start creating the phone, we need to make all these layers in a 3D. And here choose two views, and for this one make custom view, so you can rotate easily. But before start rotating, make sure to link this layer to this right, so parent and to the right, and then the right to the front, parent the right to the front, and all these layers, the left and the top, parent them to the front too, like that. And now let's start creating the phone. So on the y axis rotation, make -90, like that. Select this one and make -92, which is this, the back. Click R, -90, like that. For this, the top, click R, and in the X rotation, make -90. The left side on the Y rotation and make 90. And the last one, which is the bottom, make R and rotate the X rotation +90. like that. So now we have a 3D phone. As you can see, we don't need this view anymore, so switch to one view like that. And now we need a null to parent the front to it to rotate the phone. So new and make null object, unleave this snapping and make it like that in the middle, and parent the front to the null. So now we can rotate the phone with this null. So if you move the null, the phone will move too. Click B and Shift R. Make sure this null is a 3D too. So let's say after like 1 second, the phone should be like that at this position. So make position a keyframe on the position, and let's make all those 3. And then move to the beginning, go to the position and make the phone over here. Okay, so now we are going to add a rotation. On the Y rotation, make like -1 or maybe -2. Let's see. Use this motion tool like that. As you can see, the animation is looking good. Here maybe we can add simple animation to the phone. On the X rotation, just make it like -90 or something like that. Let's see. Nice. And make it a bit later. Let's see. Now I want to add something here. I want to show something in the phone. So just import anything, a video or anything. Go to the front, and under this copy layer, make sure this is fit to comp. Let's see the video. And then here toggle modes here, and over here make alpha mate, so the video appear only on the size of this copy shape. So everything is adjusted here in the front comp. Now when you go back to the 3D phone, as you can see, the video is in the phone. Sorry, it contains music, so I'm going to mute it. And as you can see, it's looking really good with the animation. So now I'm going to add an effect to make the phone look nicer. Here in the effect, type CC light and add it to the front composition. So as you can see, there is this light here. Now we're going to animate it at this time, like that. So just put it over here at this time. Make a keyframe on the center and move a bit forward, and just move it like that here. So let's see the animation. It's looking really good actually. Okay, now the final thing, I just wanna change the background. So I'm going to add a new solid, and I'm going to add an effect called gradient ramp. This one, gradient ramp. Move it to the solid layer, and here change the color as you want. So as you can see, like that. So let's see the final animation. It's looking really good actually for me. So now I just have to say thank you for watching. Please don't forget to like and subscribe and support me to upload more videos like that. Finally, thank you, and see you on the next video.